In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add social links in Moosend emails. Adding clear, clickable social icons is one of the simplest ways to help readers connect with you beyond the inbox, and it only takes a minute once you know where to look. I'll walk you through each step, explain what to expect on screen, and share a few quick tips so your icons look clean, on-brand, and easy to tap on mobile. First, open the email you want to edit in Moosend and click Design Email. This takes you into the drag and drop editor where you can visually build your message. If you're updating a live campaign or working off a template, the process is the same. Give the editor a moment to load and scan the layout so you know where you want your social icons to live. Most senders place them in the footer, but they also work well under a signature or at the end of your main content. Next, find the social icons block in the content panel and drag it into your email. As you move it around the canvas, look for the blue placement guides and drop it exactly where you want the icons to appear. After you place it, the block's settings will open on the side. This is where you can adjust alignment, spacing, and style so the icons match your brand. If your design is minimal, consider a single color or outline style. If it's bold, the default colored logos can stand out nicely. Now choose the platforms you want to display: Facebook, Instagram, and any others that are relevant to your audience. Keep it focused on the channels you actually use to avoid clutter and decision fatigue. You can reorder the icons to spotlight your most active platforms and hide any that don't apply. Consistency matters, so aim to use the same set of platforms across your templates. Then paste your profile links into each platform's URL field. Use the full link, including HTTPS, and double check that you're pointing to the correct public profile or page rather than a personal account. If your brand uses regional or campaign-specific pages, pick the one that best fits this email's audience. Clean, readable URLs help with quick verification during review. Finally, save and preview. Use the preview mode to see how the icons look on desktop and mobile, making sure spacing is comfortable and the icons remain legible at smaller sizes. Hover over each icon to confirm the links look right and adjust sizing or alignment if needed. When everything looks consistent and professional, save your changes and you're done.